on a quick test drive here. I do have one microphone outside the vehicle and one inside the vehicle. So it's going to be a little noisier than usual. Alright, now I have the microphone just in the car. So I do not have it on the outside anymore. So this is what it sounds like when driving the vehicle. Of course, way quieter. That blow-off valve sounds great. This car just shifts so smooth. Really no complaints. Drives amazing, sounds awesome. Beautiful car. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Now this is not a wrap. This is a full-blown custom paint job. They did door jambs and all. So they spent a lot of time on this car to make it look good. It's got a full custom audio, some bolt-ons. So we'll have that build list on the website. Got the Pilot Super Sport. Looks good. You see the calipers are painted to match, as well as the key fob. They did a really good job on that. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Got the smoked out markers. Looking at that fender. Really good. Now if you look close, every once in a while you're going to see little dimples in the paint, little imperfections, but the sparkle is absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the reflection in the light. You have a lot of depth, so they did a great job on this. You can see this, they did all that trim. If you get super close, you are going to see a little bit of overspray. Got a little paint on the glass. That looks good. Side mirror's pretty. Look at that sparkle. Door looks nice. You have PPF right here. Get really close, you're going to see a couple chips there. You have a chip here, and then when you open the fuel door, you can see they painted all in here, but you can see the edge was not painted. When the door is closed though, you're going to see it a little bit. Chips here, smoked out marker. Looking at that wheel, absolutely gorgeous. Barrels are nice and clean. You do see some chips on the caliper. We have some Nitto NT55 G2s back here. Those look awesome. Got the smoked out headlights. There's going to be some swirls from just everyday washing, a few rock chips. Headlights look good. A couple small chips here and there. This lower piece. You have a larger chip here, a couple gashes, a little bit of rash. Got a chip there, a couple gashes here, chips there. large chips and some rash. That fender looks good. That wheel's perfect. Couple rock chips. That A-pillar looks nice. Got a chip there. Rest of that door looks good. Kick plate area is clean. Got the film here protecting that. That wheel looks good. Right here on the edge, looks like they didn't get enough paint there. It kind of has an orange and yellow hue now. See the chipping. Something on the surface of the paint there. Smoked out tail lights. Exhaust tips look really good. You do have some scratches there. Couple scuffs. Light scuffs here. Not quite sure what that is. You can see some rash right there. And then looking here, you're gonna see some rash. So these are probably spider cracks from the damage there. All right, check out the interior. Like I said, full color match, all the jams. They did a great job. Custom speakers here in the doors. Got a massive custom audio setup back here. I mean, absolutely gorgeous car. Looking at that panel. Perfect up here. That looks good. This is all scuffed up. A new trim here, and this panel would be pretty much perfect. This looks good. They did a great job on that. Look in the jams. Here on the trim. You do have some gashes right here, little scuffs. Typical wrinkles on that bolster. Upper section looks good. All that Alcantara is clean. All of that looks good. Got the scratches here. Little scratches right there. Very common, but you got the dash here with the crack in it. Those buttons look nice. The rest of this looks good. Got a little scuff here. A couple markings on the headliner. Smells great in here. All right, here on the passenger side, upper panel's perfect. You do have scratches on that black trim there. That handle looks good. This is amazing. They did a great job on that. Looking at the jam, a little bit of paint on that. They did mask all that off. Full color change though. Looks awesome. Here on that bolster, typical wrinkles. The Alcantara looks amazing. That bolster looks good. Typical cracks here, super common. You can get close, see that. Upper side looks good. Looks like the crack stops about right there. That looks really good. Then you have custom audio setup in here, and then you have a trickle charger ready to go. And then you can see they painted all of the jams. They masked around that and painted. All of that looks good. Then looking at the engine bay, got the color matched cover here, looks good. Just gonna scan through some of this. And then you can see they painted all of this as well, masked around all the stickers. So it was a complete color change.